how to start an encrypted group chat on Signal app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to start an encrypted group chat on Signal, let's head over to the Signal app and then go to the pencil icon in the top right corner of the screen. And now tap on new group. Now just select the people that you want to add in the group and then hit next in the top right. Now you'll just need to put in the group name and you can even add the group photo if you want to, and then just tap on create in the top right and group chat will open automatically and you do not have to do anything. Messages are automatically end-to-end encrypted. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Now you can enjoy secure group messaging because end-to-end encrypting is uh, automatic in your Signal app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.